Welcome to our course on data scraping. I'm Abdul, and in this course, we'll dive into the fascinating world of web scraping. Web scraping is a method used to extract data from websites. It's a powerful tool that allows us to gather a large amount of data quickly. From price comparison to sentiment analysis on social media, web scraping is used in various fields. As data become more vital in decision making, the ability to scrap and handle data from the web becomes a valuable skill. It's a tool that every data scientist should have in their toolbox. This course will teach you everything about data scraping, from the very beginning to more complex stuff. We will cover the Python requests, Beautiful Soup, and Selenium libraries, and how to use them for web scraping. By the end of this course, you will be able to scrap data from almost all sorts of websites, even the tricky ones. If you want a course that's easy to follow, well-planned, and hands-on, this is it. Don't worry if you are new to data scraping. You don't need to know anything to start this course. You will get all the information you need right here, so you don't have to keep switching between different tutorials. Let's get started.